making magnetic slime, and here are the ingredients. This is contact lens liquid, super duper strong magnets which you can get on Amazon, and this is iron fillets.
And this glue and the spoon.
Glue and the spoon, yeah. Also, you see these iron fillets, these magnets? You want to see how strong they really are? Right. Here's how strong they really are. Right, the first part is really simple. We just need to add the contact lens liquid to the glue and mix until we get the right consistency. Here we go. That's enough for now. Now mix. We'll put more in. Mix it.
This is very hard to mix.
We're getting the slimy texture.
It's going to be very hard now.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
It's getting super duper sticky now.
Looks like our slime is ready. So now we're going to add in the iron fillings and then knead it up. Right, put in 3 spoons.
Oh my god.
There is some more iron fillings. Here's another way of doing it. Looks like our magnetic slime is ready. Ooh. Time to play with the magnet. Take this. That's for you. And put your magnet in the slime.
My bow is still sticky. Hey, my bow. Hey. Oh. What's inside?
Now we're going to be trying something else. It's a bonding the power of the iron and the magnet. Do you want to try and see? Shall I hold up the plate? Yes, now move the magnet around. It looks just like magic. Right, here we go.
Wow.
It's a mountain of spikes. Imagine that being real. It looks so cool.
Whoa, look.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so cool. Let's put it on the floor and try.
Now-
But first we need to take the sponge a bit off.
Our third experiment is that we're going to be mixing the sand and the iron fillers, but there is still a way that we can, well, separate them with the power of super strong magnets. Okay, mix it. Look, we almost completely separated the sand from the iron fillers. It's so cool. My sister wants to have a turn.
That's so cool. See, that's that.
That's enough. Time to mix it. Should I hold the plate up for you? Here you go. Here's the magnet. Move it. The magnet has some move. Now pour the rest of the sand here.
I want to go by myself.
Yeah, that's it. There.
There we go.
Oh yeah, there's still a little bit of sand. Let's do it together. Good. All done. Not a trace of sand in here. So that's how strong the power of magnets can be.
Bye-bye.
Bye! It's the end of this video, and I really hope you like all of our experiments we did today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Let's do magnet fight.
Oh yeah? Come on.